Yo YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial. So today's video is about the start bar. Some of you might be facing troubles opening the start bar, and I know this is not visible for you guys right now on your computer because you're facing a small and very minor issue. So yeah, even if you search something and you try to click on it, that doesn't work because of a minor issue. So today I'll be going to show you how to fix that. So first, to fix that, you just go on to this start bar where there are no icons present, and do a right click on it, and then open the task manager. Once you open the task manager, you won't be seeing all this, you'll be seeing something like this. So you have to go to more details, and then you can see all of the functioning that's going on inside the PC. And now, yeah, once you open task manager and click more details, you should go all the way down to local security authority process. And once you go there, just right click on it and click on end task. Once you did that, select the option called abandoned unsafe data and shutdown. And once you shut down your PC, it will restart within a minute, and then you can see that your taskbar, the start bar is perfectly alright with no issues. I have faced the issue 2 to 3 days ago, and I thought I'd make up a tutorial so that it might help you guys. So if this help you guys, just give us a like and do subscribe to our channel. I'll be up with many useful tutorials.